Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 7 from exercise 8.3. The problem goes like this. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Right? So, let us see the given problem statement is like this. Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Right? So, we need to write this 67 and 75. We have to replace the angles in with 0 and 45, in between 0 and 45. So, to convert that 67 degree or 75 degree in to be less than 45 degree, I can write this 67 degree as 90 degree minus 23 degree, such that the complementary angle will give only 23 degree. Similarly, 75 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 15 degree. Right? So, this can be replaced like this. Sine of, in place of 67, I can write it as 90 degree minus 23 degree plus cos of 75 can be written as 90 degree minus 15 degree. So, sine 90 minus theta is of the form cos theta, cos 23 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is of the form sine theta, sine 15 degree. So, this is the answer where the angles are less than 45 degree. So, here you write the formula that we are using here. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.